Hi everyone, welcome to today's video where we will recap what we have learned so far in this module. Today we're going to talk about feelings and emotions by playing two different games. Okay, let's begin. How is he feeling? What do you think? That's right. He's not hungry, he's not cold, he's thirsty. Great. How is she feeling? She's not angry, she's not happy, she's sleepy. Great. How is he feeling? He's not hot, he's not shy, he's angry. Excellent. How is she feeling? She's not bored, she's not tired, she's surprised. Perfect. How is she feeling? I think she is scared. How are they feeling? They're not bored, they're not frustrated, they're in love. Great. How is he feeling? He's not bored, he's not scared, he's furious. Excellent. How is he feeling? He's not sad, he's not angry, he's scared. Perfect. How is she feeling? She's not hot, she's not cold. I think she's mad. Great. How is she feeling? She's not hot, she's not happy, she's bored. Excellent. How is he feeling? He's not hot, he's not nervous, he's sleepy. Great. How is he feeling? He's not in love, he's not sleepy, I think he's cold. Very good. How is he feeling? He's not happy, he's not scared, he's disgusted. Perfect. How is he feeling? He's not hungry, he's not sad, he's cheerful. Great. How is she feeling? She's not shy. She's not sad. She's happy. Excellent. How is he feeling? He's not angry. He's not surprised. He's exhausted. Nice. How is she feeling? She's not angry. She's not in a bad mood. She's in a good mood. Okay. How is she feeling? She's not sleepy. She's not cold. She's sad. Okay. How is she feeling? She's not hungry. She's not furious. She's hot. Perfect. How is he feeling? He's not happy. He's not sad. He's worried. Great. Okay, let's move on to the next section. What's the matter? This is the key phrase for today. Before, we use this phrase when talking about our emotions. But you can also use it when you are feeling ill. In this section, I'm going to show you some sentences. Try to fill in the blanks. Think about the answer in your head. Okay, let's begin. What's the matter? She has got a backache. Okay, that's right. She has got a backache. Her back hurts. She shouldn't lift heavy things. Next. What's the matter? She has got a toothache. Okay, that's right. She has got a toothache. Her tooth hurts. She should go to the dentist. Next. What's wrong? He has got an earache. Okay, did you fill in the blanks? That's right. He has got an earache. His ear hurts. He should go to the doctor's. He shouldn't go to work. Next. What's the problem? She has got a headache. What are the answers? Let's check. She has got a headache. Her head hurts. She should take a painkiller. She shouldn't sit so close to the TV. Okay. What's the matter? She has got a stomach ache. Okay. She has got a stomach ache. Her stomach hurts. She shouldn't eat so many sweets. She should eat healthy food. Nice. What's wrong? She has got flu or a cold. Okay, what's the answers? She has got a cold or she has got flu. She should stay in bed. She should check her temperature. She shouldn't go outside. What's the matter? She has got a cough. Okay. She has got a cough. She should take a cough syrup. She should go to the doctor's. What's the matter? She feels sick. She feels sick. She shouldn't go to school today. She should stay in bed. What's wrong? He has got a sore throat. He should take some medicine. He shouldn't drink cold drinks. What's the problem? He is thirsty. He should drink some water. What's the matter? He is bored. Okay. He is bored. He should go and see one of his friends. He shouldn't help with the housework. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, bye bye.